Hello, we're on to day 4 of 24 days of Keycaps, and today you'll be sculpting Olaf from Frozen with yours truly. Honestly, this was really a trust the process kind of sculpt, and I low-key wanted to abandon it halfway through, which you'll find out why in a sec. I wasn't sure how to really bring his eyes out and was experimenting with it, but he legit looked cursed when I was working on his mouth.
That's how it's looking. What the fuck is that?
I don't know. Anyways, I persevered and he looked a lot better after adding his carrot nose on, and I decided to redo his eyes by cutting half the outline out. So what you think? Is he regular Olaf or cursed Olaf? Let me know in the comments below.